Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and now you are watching new video of property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and category and facilities also. So this is property location. You can find lots of reviews and ratings online and identify guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.6, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. Category 4. Room category 5. Yes, we talk about the amenities of this property. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present food ID and check in. Provided in the description. For more details, please read description box. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this property, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have already checked out on this property, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new to the channel or you have not subscribed our channel yet, then you subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video of our